Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this series of video, we will going to learn AI from scratch. Here, we are going to use Google Colab as a tool for learning our AI, which is a free and a browser-based tool, or you can say as a code editor for executing especially Python codes. I will quickly tell you how to set up your Google Colab code editor. You just need to go to your web browser. In the web browser, you need to just type Google Colab. In the first, this is the first link. You just need to open this first link. After opening, you will get to see this pop-up here in the left side of. You can see a new notebook. You just click on this new notebook. If it will open a new notebook, see it is opened a editor here in the uh, top left. You can rename your notebook. Will rename it as AI Journey 01. So I have renamed this to my first AI journey. If you didn't get that pop-up, if you want to create, you can just come here in the file section. You can just create new notebook in the drive. You can also click here. You will get to create a new notebook also. Okay. Now we have successfully created our one notebook page. So here I will quickly introduce you some of the tools which which are essential in our learning. This is a there are this is a cell which is a essential part, means here we are going to execute our Python code. There is a two types of cell. One is a code cell, another is a text cell. In the code cell, we will going to write our code like a print statement. So if you want to execute this print, you need to just click here play button, or if you click here, it will execute our code. See, it has executed. Or the shortcut is you just need to press shift enter. It will also execute. It's the same. Another one is there is a text cell. See here, you can add the text cell either by typing here, or you can type here also. It will add one text cell. So this text cell is useful for writing headings and commenting out the codes, what the code is doing and all. Okay, I will just quickly write for you. This is AI code. You can also type here shift enter. See here, you can able to run this. If you want to move this to upside, you just need to click here move upside. So you can restructure these cells also. If you want to delete this, just delete here. Okay, now mm, we'll going to write some Python code where we're going to use some variables. As I said, you just need to click here the code. So I'm going to take one variable. We're going to take one variable as a project name. Project name AI recommended. Okay. Now uh, day number is equal to 1. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just print these variables. So here I will use f string to print these variables. Here, like in the traditional way, we used to print the strings just by using double quotes. But there is an f function f string which is useful to insert variables into the strings. Like I will show you. Welcome to project name. To insert, you just need to open curly braces and close it. Inside that, you need to add your variable name. Yeah, day number. If you want to complete that suggestion, you just need to type tab. Okay, now we'll execute. See, welcome to AI Commander, the day of one. Here, I am planning to complete this course within a 60 days. So I will quickly tell you what is our approach. I have divided these 60 days into 4 quarters. In the first quarter, which is 1 to 15 days, we're going to learn the Python fundamentals like the libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and all. In the next second quarter, that is 15 to 30 days, we're going to learn machine learning, where we're going to learn the concepts like regressions, clustering, and all. Next, in the third quarter, which is 30 to 45th day, we're going to learn the deep learning, which is very essential, where we're going to learn the neural networks. And in the last quarter, which is 45th to 60th day, there we're going to build a big project, a recommender project, which will recommend us the products. Like we have already seen in the Amazon and Flipkart, when you go and buy things, Amazon will recommend us the product based on our interest. So that kind of project we're going to build. Okay, now uh, we already executed this thing. Now I will take another cell. So in this cell, what I'm going to do is I will show you a simple math. I will take one variable as item present, that is 5 items added is 3. Now we'll take a total items as items present plus items added. Then we're going to print with a string total items are curly braces total items. So we're going to execute with the shift control. See, here we got our answer as 8. So congratulations guys, we have set up our uh, Google code, Google Colab editor, and we have executed some of the Python code, and we already have some of the goal, like 60 days of goal. So hope you like it guys. If it is helpful for you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for next video. Thank you.